What if your most essential tool is your biggest bottleneck? That shaky, wobbly surface you're working on right now is stealing your precision, killing your focus, and limiting your potential. After consulting with professional architects and studio artists, we've identified the only 5 drafting tables in 2025 that are worth your investment. One of them is a silent revolution in ergonomics you need to see to believe. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1. Yahitech Adjustable Art Desk. Best for artists. Transforming our workspace can be quite a revelation, and the Yahitech Adjustable Art Desk has proven to be a robust addition. Its adjustable workspace allows us to easily switch between a flat desk and an angled drafting table, which has been beneficial for both digital and hands-on projects. The accessible slide-out side top becomes particularly useful when we spread out reference materials or engage in multitasking with a tablet. It tucks away neatly, contributing to the desk's sleek design. The integrated storage is a clever touch, keeping our supplies tidy and at hand. While the solidity of the desk is a huge plus, it is also its downside. We found that moving the desk requires some effort, which might not be ideal for those who like to frequently change their studio layout. A few members of our team voiced concerns about the cosmetically sensitive surface, but we agree that it's a minor issue that doesn't affect the desk's functionality. Lastly, while the angle adjustment mechanism is sturdy, it may require a bit of getting used to when configuring the desk's inclination. Overall, we have enjoyed incorporating the Yahitech drafting table into our space. It has adapted well to our varied artistic processes, offering solidity and functionality that bolster our creativity. Despite minor caveats, its benefits far outweigh the inconveniences. Number 2. Stand-up desk store drafting table. Best for architects. We found the height adjustment feature quite handy, especially when shifting from sitting to standing during long design sessions. Its ability to match the user's height preferences easily is a definite plus. The increments are perfect for dialing in that just right work surface elevation. The array of angle settings has made our design work much more manageable. Whether we're sketching out a new concept or reviewing technical plans, the tabletop tilts effortlessly to provide an ergonomic viewpoint. We've noticed less strain on our necks and shoulders as a result. Our experience with assembling the desk was quite positive. Initially, we were concerned about the complexity, but the process turned out to be less daunting than expected. Once set up, the desk feels stable, and the additional full-length tray is a boon, ensuring we have all our drafting utensils within reach without cluttering the workspace. We did run into a hiccup or two while matching some screw holes, which needed a bit of wrestling to get in line. Thus, if you're setting this up, make sure to have an extra pair of hands. And while the desk is sturdy, remember it's not built for extremely heavy loads. It's perfectly suited for drawing, writing, or light crafting but would falter under more intensive weight demands. Number 3. Yahitech Adjustable Desk. Best with drawers. Crafting at the Yahitech desk, our creative flow went unhindered. The adjustable tabletop easily converted into an easel, making it perfect not just for drawing, but for various projects. The pencil ledge was a small but significant feature, keeping our tools in place. Storage is always at a premium in our workspace, but this table had us covered. The side table held our coffee safe and sound, while the drawer swallowed up clutter. The long shelf underneath proved perfect for stashing paper rolls, sketchbooks, and other larger items. The design pulled our studio space together, marrying form and function with its sleek, curved X-shaped legs. However, without a screwdriver, which didn't come included, assembling the table felt a bit like a puzzle. But once set up, it was as sturdy as can be. This table's presence can dominate a smaller room, which is worth considering before inviting it into our creative sanctuary. The price might set you back a touch more than simpler models, but we appreciated the quality materials and robust construction that came with the extra dollars. Number 4. Studio Designs Folding Craft Station. Foldable drafting table. We've recently spent some time with the Studio Designs Folding Craft Station and were initially taken by its stylish looks and easy setup. The surface is roomy enough to spread out your materials without feeling cramped. Its ability to adjust to different angles made switching between tasks seamless, providing much-needed comfort during long sessions. The folding mechanism of the Studio Designs Craft Station impressed us with its practicality, perfect for transforming any limited living space into a functional art studio when inspiration strikes. We found that when down, it tucked away neatly, proving to be quite the space saver. However, we did notice that while the desk could handle our standard crafting activities, placing heavier items like a large sewing machine could be pushing its limits. The glass is tough, but it's best to stay mindful of the weight it's holding. Also, those removable side trays can occasionally become loose. It might take a few tries to secure them properly. One last thing to mention is that if tracing is a big part of your work, you might want to factor in the extra purchase of a light pad, as this isn't included. That said, the Studio Designs Craft Station is a good value choice for anyone from hobbyists to professional artists who need an adaptable and space-conscious work surface. Number 5. Yahitech Adjustable Drafting Table. Best for diamond painting. After spending some time with the Yahitech drafting table, we were impressed by its overall stability. The powder-coated steel frame contributes to a secure base, which is vital when precision is key in your work. Its sleek, modern style fits seamlessly into any studio or home office decor. The ability to adjust the glass tabletop from a flat to a 40-degree angle provides the flexibility required for various project types. Drawing at an incline reduces strain on the back and shoulders, which we found highly beneficial during long drafting sessions. Having used the included stool, we appreciate the consideration for comfort that Yahitech has incorporated into this set. It's a welcome addition that allowed us to get started on our projects immediately. The 2 drawers offer just enough storage to keep essential tools within arm's reach. In conclusion, we believe the Yahitech drafting table with its adjustable, comfortable features and storage options is a fine choice for anyone serious about their drafting or artistic endeavors. So, stop fighting your furniture and start creating on a foundation that empowers you. Whether you're drafting the next iconic skyscraper or your next masterpiece, the right table isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. All the product links for these 5 game-changing drafting tables, with any current discounts, are waiting for you in the video description below. If this review helped you see your workspace in a new light, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, share this with a fellow creator who needs the upgrade, and subscribe for more tools to unlock your creative potential.